What's up everyone, and thanks for joining me today. In this lesson we'll be drawing Bowser Jr. from Super Mario. So let's start along the top of our page with a curve. Start from the left side, we're going to go up above the nose, go across, and then down towards the right. Now along the top on each side, we're going to add the nostrils. We're going to bend this in and then down. Let's go up to the top. On either side, we're going to draw the top edge of the eyebrow. So we want to bend this out and then up. Now I'm going to add a point. Bend this down with a short curve. Add another point, going out. Now I want to bend this down and then in towards a point towards the inside of the eyebrows. Underneath the eyebrows, we're going to draw a small circle for the eyes. Let's add a smaller circle on the top for a highlight. And then we'll fill the bottoms in black. Now we're going to move down and draw the top of the mouth. Let's start over on the left side, bend the mouth coming down, across, and then up. And I'm just going to add a bracket on the ends. Let's open up the mouth. So we're going to step in, draw a half circle, coming down, and then up. Over on the right side, let's add a fang with a V. Come down towards the bottom and add a curve for the tongue, going up and then down. Now I want to trace the mouth along the bottom. So we're going to start on the left side, come down, across, and then up. Let's go back to the side of the nose and curve the cheeks, going up, around the corner of the mouth, and just tuck that in toward the side. Do the exact same thing on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw on the head. Let's start from the outside on top of the cheek, and it's up and in behind the eyebrow. Curve the top of the head, going across and then down, and then finish off on the right side. Now along the top of the head, we're going to add that hair. So let's start with the band. Start with 2 straight lines along the side, and then curve the top. Let's go over towards the top left corner and bend the hair, going around and then up. Let's add a point, add a longer curl, going all the way around, coming down. We'll add one more, and then pull that down towards the right side. Let's add 2 small horns along the side of the head, starting right where the head meets the eyebrow, and it's up and out, come back in, and we'll separate the bottom with a curve. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw that handkerchief, starting on the left side, and it's around and then in toward the center, go out, and then in on the right. Let's add a fold, coming down and in on either side. Now I'm going to add that detail in the center, starting underneath the chin, curve this around and then in from the left and right side. Round at the bottom, pull this up in the middle, come down and then round this out. Let's trace the shape along the inside. We'll add some teeth across, starting from the left, going up and then down, continue all the way across towards the right. Let's add that patch in the center of the body, starting on the left side, coming down, across, and then up. And then on the left side, we're going to add a seam, coming down and in, and this up towards the right. From the bottom, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center, go to the left side, we're going to bend this out, and then back in towards the heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet, so we're going to come down and then out toward the first claw. Now right here we're going to go up and then bend that down. Do the exact same thing on the right. We're going to layer 2 more claws on either side. So from this point, step up, bend this out, go up and then down on top. And we'll do that one more time. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Along the side, let's curve the body, coming down and then in towards the hips. Let's step up, curve the leg, we're going to bend this out towards the knee, and then bend that in towards the ankle. And then from the top of the last claw, bend the foot going up and then in behind the leg. Now let's go all the way up to the top. We're going to stretch the arms out towards the side. Let's start underneath the cheek, draw a straight angled line going up and then out. Let's round up the arm, coming down towards the bottom. And now we're going to bend this down and then in towards the side of the body. Let's add that thick metal cuff with a curve. Now we're going to go back up to the top. Let's curl the thumb, going up and out, round up the thumb, and bend that back up. Let's add a small claw on the end with a little point going out. Now I'm going to clench the fingers into a fist. Let's start from the top of the thumb with a half oval, going up and then down, step over, add an oval going in toward the thumb. Do that one more time. Now from the bottom finger, curl the palm, coming down and in. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's go to the side of the body. We're going to add the edge of the shell, just curving with the same curve of the body, coming in toward the leg. And then along the bottom, we're going to add the tail. Start from the inside of the left leg, curve this down and out, bend this up towards the right, and they'll add a point. Let's add 2 spikes on either side, bend this out and then in, and then from the bottom, draw it again. And we'll separate the base of each spike with a curve. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Bowser Jr. from Super Mario. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe because I post new lessons every single day. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.